Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll see how to make easy spinach kootu. For this we need 1 bunch of spinach, 1 small tomato, 1 green chilli, half an onion, 1 teaspoon of salt. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, now add onion. Saute the onion for a few seconds. Add tomato. Add chili and saute for a few seconds. Now add the spinach. And close the lid. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. After adding salt, let it cook for 5 minutes. Now it's done. Let's transfer it into a plate and let it cool down. Now it's completely cooled down. I'm going to grind it. You don't have to finely grind the spinach. The spinach kootu is ready. It's easy to make and it tastes good with rice and chapathi. Thank you for watching. See you all soon with another new and healthy recipe. Until then, bye from Tasty and Healthy Cooking. Bye.